Hello and welcome to TechChecker. Today I'm going to be showing you this SUNKONG triangle EDC hand spinner fidget toy, ultra durable, made of pure copper and a ceramic bearing. Spinning time up to 6 minutes. So let's have a look. Comes in this little Amazon box. Got some weight to it. Let's have a look at it. So it's nicely finished. Nice and smooth edges. Get the timer out. It's still going. It's going pretty well. So what I'll do is I'll give it a good spin. Oh, nearly. Start out, see how it goes for. That's just with one quick spin.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make. We give and take, and I know you will keep trying. Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. And you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. Emotions made of steel. What was I supposed to feel? I didn't want to take chances. Past romances were telling me I'd just crash again. I said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. You gave me that smile. Stood there for a while. talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown, cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. I'm about to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
So the very first time I've actually spun it, obviously the first time I dropped it, but the actual first time I give it a proper spin, I didn't start the stopwatch straight away, and it spun for 6 minutes 35 seconds. So that's from one spin. So I reckon that if I did it on a table, I could probably get even more. I'm not going to waste any more time. You can see that it's a really good spinner. It spins for a long time. It's very well made, well balanced. If I give it a load of revs like that, I reckon I could probably get it spinning for 7 minutes, maybe even longer. It does say spinning time up to 6 minutes. Well, I've already beat that by 35 seconds plus whatever time it took me to press the stop. So start rather, so it's probably another 5 seconds. So yeah, really nice spinner, really well made, very well balanced, looks nice. It's got a nice feel to it when you turn it. You got that gyro feel. It's not over heavy, nice quality. So yeah, you want a long lasting spinner, there you go. Hopefully this video has been helpful.